There we go. Alright, uh-oh, hold on. Alright, come on camera. Don't do this to me now. Alright, there we go. Anyways, what's going on everybody? I'm Sarko Lumber AK Magnum 05 here, and today I bring you another hotel room tour. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, and today's hotel room tour is, yes, I am back here at the Holiday Inn Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco, California. I have now been in this hotel for 10 years now. Every year for the last 10 years, me and my family has come to San Francisco and stayed in this hotel. So ever since June 2008, this is the hotel we've been staying ever since. So anyways, let's get started with this hotel room tour, shall we? Of course, as you can see, this is the main entrance that we just walked into. And over to the right, this is where you put storage. There's a safe right here. There's a couple of bathrobes, as you can see. There's an iron. There's an ironing board. You got clothes hangers right here and right there. Laundry bag. Up there's where you can put some of your luggage. Yes, I go this way. Here's a mirror right here. Hello. Yep, that's what I look like today. And as we walk in here, this is the main room. As you can see, we have two queen-size beds. Right there is my backpack. Right there is my luggage, and down here are some of the things I brought with me. Here's a nice picture here. First alert. Here's the air conditioning control, the thermostat. Over here we have a dresser. Up here we have 4 glass cups, and right here ice bucket. Here we have a small refrigerator. Here we have a small microwave. There's me in the reflection. Over here we have a Samsung flat screen TV. Back here we have a light. Wonder if I can reach that. There we go. And yes, it does work. Whoa. Of course it would work. Over here we have the nightstand. Up here we have 2 lamps. Here on the nightstand we have this 4, or actually 3 outlets for regular plugs, and of course we got 2 small outlets for phone chargers and whatnot. Here's your standard hotel phone. Here's your standard alarm clock. It's 5:50 p.m. right now. And this here is actually a sound effects system, Homedics. So we're gonna turn this on. As you can see, you can hear sound. Let's do thunder. Let's do ocean. Rock. Try Summer Night. Ooh, I'm liking this one so far. Rain. And last but not least, white noise. I do like this Summer Night one. Down here, as you can see, is a timer where if you want the noise to go on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, 60 minutes. So, alright. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I cannot remember when was the last time I've seen one of these things. So, I'll tell you right now, it's been ages. Anyways, over here we have a work desk. Here's my laptop. You see my background right now is the picture of me and my family. This was the day when we were on our way back from San Simeon, and that was a week ago today. It is June 21st, 2018 as I'm recording this, and we had just arrived here an hour ago. So yeah, we're on our first day here. Over here is a nice chair with Joe's backpack and sweater. This sweater is mine. Well, close enough. Of course, you got the chair here for the work desk. Over here is your coffee maker with coffee, cream, sugar, salt, pepper. Well, I don't know about salt and pepper though, but yeah. Napkins, cups, you name it. Over here we have a lamp. As you can see, right here is another mirror. Hello again. And now let's check out the view, shall we? Okay, so this is what our view looks like. There's basically part of the roof of the hotel, as you can see. Again, we're here at the Holiday Inn in Fisherman's Wharf here in San Francisco. There's downtown San Francisco way over there. There's the Transamerica Pyramid. It's not a bad view. I mean, it's alright. As long as I can still see the city, then I'm good. I love having a view where you can see the city. There's the Coit Tower. So yeah, this is our view, as you can see. Here's the air conditioner. Here's another lamp. Here's another picture. Now, last but not least, here is the bathroom. I had almost forgot about this as I was recording this, so I'm glad I thought of that before I forget. Alright, here's your sink. Over here we got citrus mint soap, face and body soap. Over here we have 2 bottles of conditioner, 1 bottle of mouthwash, 1 bottle of body lotion, and 2 bottles of shampoo. Got a shower cap, and we got another face and body soap, citrus mint. There's a power outlet that's installed into the mirror, as you can see. Here's the hair dryer. Here's a little mirror, as you can see. Oops, okay. Sorry, not trying to break that. Got 2 lights up here. Up here we have 4 bath towels. Got some hand towels. Got some more hand towels down here. Here's the toilet. Right over here is the bathtub, and here is the shower. There's an air vent right there. Probably wondering if that's where that noise is coming from. This is where you hold your soap. There's a bar for just in case if you have a broken bone in your body and you need a way to stand up or something. There's another a soap holder. Shower curtain, of course. Here's the rug. This right here is where you would hang your jacket or something. So yes, the bathroom is small, but that's what is here in this hotel. Now, in case some of you don't know, this hotel was built in 1970. So yeah, this hotel is now 48 years old as of 2018. Because again, it was built in 1970. So, just checking here just to see if I'm not missing anything. I guess I got pretty much everything in here. Always want to check just to make sure you're not missing anything, you know? Because there's actually a few times now, or at least a couple, where I forgot to show something during the hotel room tour. Alright, looks like I'm not missing anything here. So I already got the mirror here. Let me take a look around this room one more time to see if I'm not missing anything here as well. Let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, I know I basically got everything around here. Let's see. I think I basically got everything here. This light makes a buzzing noise for a reason. Let me show you that right now. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's a fluorescent light bulb in there. I can easily tell you that right now. Alright. Looks like I basically got everything in here. Again, always wanting to make sure just in case I'm not missing anything. So, it looks like so far I'm not missing anything, which is good. Alright guys, well that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this hotel room tour here at the Holiday Inn Fisherman's Wharf here in San Francisco, California. So again, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I'm Sacco Lumber, K Magnum 05 here. You all have a great rest of your day. Take care and bye bye.